Hello everyone, this is Anil and in my hand this is the DJI Osmo Action 4. So this camera is specially for the motovloggers, vloggers. So we can do or we can shoot our activity with the help of this camera. So this camera is capable to shoot 4K 120 fps and it is around the waterproof around 18 meters. So this camera also can shoot 10-bit deloging footage so that we can do our post-processing video editing with the help of this camera. Okay, so let's check it out what is inside the box and we'll see you in the video. Here it is, the two box here. One is for the DJI Osmo Action 4 and one is for the accessory. So this is the box for the DJI Osmo Action 4 and this is the accessory. So and in the end we can get the extension rod and it is having the length up to 1.5 meter. So it is having the good quality and it is like a premium quality and it is having the rubber grip at the bottom, so we can hold it like a proper way. And this is a lock screw and here is the DJI Action branded Q1. So we'll see the camera first. Okay, quality of the packaging is very nice. So this is the locking frame. This is the locking frame we'll keep aside, and this is the camera itself. And here we can get type C to type C cable to charge our DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. And this is the locking screw. This is the locking screw and this is the battery. So we'll check it out the battery first. Here we can get the 3 battery and these are the fully charged. If the signal is given if signal is green, then we can say the battery is fully charged. And we'll see the description of the battery. Here it is the lithium ion rechargeable battery and it is around 1770 mAh. So 1770 mAh battery we can get inside the box, and there are 3 batteries inside the box. So here it is. We have to put like a way to match this, and this is the type C cable to charge the case, and we'll see what is inside the box. Okay, so this is the DJI stickers from the DJI, and here is the app. Here we can download our app, that is video editing app like Cut. Okay, so we'll see what is the DJI store. I think this is the DJI store app. We'll see what is this. Yeah, okay, this is the DJI store app. Here we can download the DJI store app. Okay, this is the camera, protective lens, protective cover, and some quick start guides and the safety navigation guides. Okay, we'll check it out, the quick action guide. Okay, here it is given the DJI Mimo QR code, and here is the given how we can put the micro SD cards and how we can set the quick mount adapter, the battery case and charging case. Okay, this is a lock screw, 90 degree description. Okay, Okay, so here is the locking nut. We can get this. These are the two locking nuts for two quick mount adapter. Here we can get two quick mount adapter in this camera. This is the adhesive mount. You can see this is the adhesive mount we can get inside the box. Here it is right Osmo, so we can put on the curved surface to put our camera like this way. So we keep it this aside, and these are two quick mount adapter we can get inside the box. This is one, and it is taking too much time, it's too hard. Okay, these are two quick mount adapter for the Osmo Action 4. Here we can see one is having the short length and one is having the long length. So according to your views, we can put it like on the helmet or on the Dji Osmo Action 4. So this is the protective case or the protective frame for the Osmo Action 4. We can see the camera itself now. So this quality of the protective case is fine, good. Okay, and let's check it out the camera. So this is the smallest and prettiest camera from the DJI. This is the temperature sensor, and this is the camera from the DJI. Okay, so this is the quick mount adapter. Here it is, we can see the push button here. We can put directly here and it can repel outside. So we have to put in a right way, north to north and south to south, so it is quickly mounted. So in that way we can put directly with the frame on the Dji Osmo Action 4 frame. To put the frame inside, put the camera inside the frame, we have to match this red button, quick shutter button to this protective frame. So we'll try this how to mount. Okay, how to mount this? No. Okay, so this way we have to put our Osmo Action 4 inside the protective case. So after putting this, we have to press this button and this is tightly fit, and this is the protective case and having the good quality of this case. So here it is, two quick mount adapter. We can put, here is one, and on the downside this way. Okay, so it is perfectly matched and it having the good capability to mount on this frame. So here it is. If you want to shoot the vertical, then we have to mount this way and put the lock screw. Match this first and put the mount screw this way. So here, so this way we can shoot the full upside frame with this camera for the Instagram reels or anything else. Some of the people like the singular one-sided video that can shoot with this camera. And also we can remove this put this way to match this first, and then it is right. So this way we can shoot our 16:9 video and with the proper setup. So this is the setup with the Dji Osmo Action 4. Let's see all the buttons and description of this Osmo Action 4. We'll remove this first. I have to press here, and this way we can remove all the locking nut. Okay, simply have to remove this. Okay, so we will see all the buttons and description of this camera. So here it's the lens. This is the video recording on off button, and this is the quick shutter button, or also camera on off button. So if you push this, there is a lock nut here, and we can see the type C here. We can charge our Dji Osmo Action 4 with the help of this type C cable, and we have to press this again this way to fit this again inside the camera. So, and this is the other door open for the battery and the camera or camera memory card. So I have to push this way to push this and slide it upside. Here it is the memory card slot, and this is the battery slot. So we will take it out one side, one battery, and see camera. We'll do camera on first. So this is the, we have to match inside this slot this way, and this is now put it inside the camera. So I have to again press this and slide it to the back side. So here is no gap, so camera is again waterproof. So let's quick start the initial setup of this Dji Osmo Action 4. I will just on this camera with the help of this button. So before use this, we have to activate this, and here it is, the QR code is given by the Dji Osmo Action 4. So with the help of lens, we can directly go to the site of the DJI official website, and here we can see all the description, like highlights, how to use this camera, official tutorial, manuals, and you can download here the DJI store. As per the your Android or Apple, we can download here the app for the Dji Mimo app. So I already downloaded the Dji Mimo app. We can directly go to the Dji Mimo app. So I go to the Dji Mimo app, and let's see how it can take time to get connected with this mobile. So we'll wait some time. I think I have to on the Bluetooth first. Yeah, so here we can see the Osmo Action 4 7676 here. It is directly get here quick window, directly we get here with the app, and we can put the button connect. So we have to verify or accept the request. I will just accept it and agree the term and condition, give the access for the warranty, and I have to give the mail ID confirmation. So the device is now activating. So here we can get the DJI gear refresh flange. So I will just skip aside, and till time I will just set the date. It is 2024 and date is 29th December and month is 12 months, so it is, and time is around 5:50 means, yeah. Okay, so the initial setup is completed with this. After all the things, we have to do the firmware update. It takes some time to download the firmware according to their Wi-Fi speed. Here edits, we can see the resolution. So 4K 4:3 and 60 fps max we can shoot with this camera, and 4K 16:9 120 fps we can shoot with this camera. So 4K 4:3 ratio 60 fps, that is the maximum resolution we can shoot with this camera. Again I will just, and here is the rock steady stabilization. That is off, we can do off, rock steady and rock steady plus. There are the three stabilization we can get this camera. Sometimes it is get disconnected from the camera, we have to again connect it. So if it is in the installation process, then it takes some time. So here it is, we can get the notification like updating process, please wait 2 minutes. So sometime we have to wait for the firmware update, and this is the procedure to do the firmware update. If you really like this video and this is helpful for you, then please do subscribe my channel. So now update is successful and we'll do done here. So again device is searching, so you can hear this updated description here. So again we'll do connect. So device is connected through the Wi-Fi, and we can see here it is all the description in the camera, and we can directly switch from. Also we can do live streaming to Facebook and YouTube also with this. What is my intention is that we can directly do all the things with the camera as well. This is the Dji Osmo Action 4. In the next video we'll do all the functions, the best setting for this camera. So let's check it out my next video. Till time, goodbye.